Alright man, back at it. You know the deal. Like I mentioned in the last clothing haul, I sold a lot of stuff, so I got some coin that I can spend on good-ish. Literally, I'm hyped on everything I'm going to show you in this video, and none of it was that hard to obtain. I've got a few Jordans that sold out, and then some Reebok sneakers that they sent to me. Nice little package. Got something from ASOS, Urban Outfitters, Everlane. A lot of good stuff, for sure. Let's break it all down right now. First up, let's start with the obvious, the sneakers that are already out of the box that you saw in the thumbnail, and as soon as this video started, we've got the Jordan 1 Sports Illustrated. There was no way I wasn't gonna pick these up, and honestly, I don't know if there's any Jordan 1s that are gonna release this year that I'm not gonna try to get. And I've been pretty lucky so far this year, and these things were not gonna slip by. And you've seen a lot of people show you these, so I'm not gonna talk about them very much, but I did wanna show you what they look like after wearing them for one full day. I spent the weekend in New York City and I wore these an entire day. So I was in Soho doing some shopping. I hit up Flight Club, Carhartt, Stadium Goods, Kith, a lot of places. Great shopping in New York City, but you know that. And then I went to a bunch of different restaurants. So I was on my feet a lot, and this is kind of the wear and tear of the sneaker. Got a little bit of a salt stain down at the bottom and definitely some creasing on the toe box. It's a different leather than they always use. This feels like nice premium stuff. It kind of is similar to shattered backboard style leather, the way it breaks in. I don't know if it's that same quality, but it is pretty good. These flaps do come out pretty far if you don't lace them, and I kind of like that. It gives it kind of like a Nike SB dunk type feel. All right, where are we going next? Do we go in sneaker or clothing? All right, let's do another pair of sneakers. You know where these are from ever since Nike switched up their boxes, and I kind of made a mistake when I was ordering these. I did not log into my Nike account and I checked out with a quickness, so I paid for shipping. I paid $8 from Nike for shipping. A little bit tight about that, just a little bit. But this sneaker is something that I definitely wanted. It sold out as soon as it dropped, and I was a little surprised. A lot of you probably were as well. I don't know how real this sellout was, but we've got a classic Nike orange box. I haven't seen them use this box in a while. Damn, I think last time I saw this was with some Air Maxes a long time ago. Most people that were into this shoe were able to get it, and I haven't copped a pair of Blazers in a long ass time. These are the 77 Blazers. They hit for $100 and I paid $108 for them. Some people paid over retail for these things because they were not patient, and honestly I thought about doing that, but I didn't want to. I just was like, all right, if I can't get them for that 100, I'm chilling. And thankfully they did restock. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and say I'm the biggest Blazer fan, because I'm not. I'm super picky when it comes to Blazers, and this is a menswear style sneaker. Like, this is honestly something I feel like J. Crew would release. I would wear these with like a nice sweater or a button up. This is not like a streetwear style sneaker in my opinion. And you know what's awesome about these? How simple they are. Simple Nike sneakers are the best. I'm telling you, the more simple they are, like the better they are. Any sneaker from Nike that is predominantly one color with a swoosh in a different contrasting color, fire. All right, let's get into some clothing. I got something from ASOS, and honestly, you guys don't see me cop much from ASOS because I don't. Sometimes I feel a little bit overwhelmed when I'm shopping on ASOS because there's so many things to choose from. You have to have something in mind that you're shopping for. I was looking for a puffer jacket, so that's what I've got in here, a red puffer jacket. So this is an affordable option. I'll be sure to link it for you guys down in the description. One thing that's cool about this brand is that you can't buy it in the US unless it comes from ASOS. This brand is called Pull & Bear. Anybody over in Europe is probably familiar with it, but it's just a simple red puffer jacket. I made a video all about winter essentials. If you missed that, go check it out. And a puffer jacket was not on that list, and you guys were quick to remind me how essential they are, and that is a fact. I've got a lot of puffer jackets. I didn't have a red one, and it wasn't in that video. My bad. I'm showing you guys one now. an affordable option at that. Nothing crazy about this, no details to point out. The only real detail is that it says Pull and Bear on the left pocket. Let me throw it on real quick so I know how it fits. All right, so it fits me perfectly. It's actually a little bit more slim fitting than I thought it was gonna be, and I'm totally okay with that. Nice, this is a good fit. All right, let's dive into these Reeboks. They just showed up today. Shout out to my man John over at Reebok that sent these over. I believe they are a pair of Aztecs. Making a stockpile of boxes to my left. Yep, pair of Aztec sneakers. Which colorway is this? This is the cobalt, yellow, and black colorway. Wow. These actually look better than I thought they were gonna in person. I like these things. They have like that vintage vibe, obviously, that a lot of Reeboks releasing now do. I'm not gonna front and act like I know much about the Aztec model. I'm sure it's from the Reebok archives, but you know, I don't know too much about older Reebok sneakers, but this pair is definitely pretty cool. And I like the toe box here. You can see that it's got this cool design showcasing that blue. I'll wear these at some point. This is definitely a springtime colorway, so not something bad to have in the stash. I got both these joints sitting on deck for springtime. Cool. Both have that old school style. I like that. Shout out to Reebok. Okay, keeping it moving with an absolute steal that I got from Urban Outfitters. I'm so excited about this pickup, man. I almost paid full retail for this jacket, which was just under 300 bucks. All right, so this is a Lacoste jacket. Now that is a brand that I don't think I've ever showcased on this channel or shown because I don't own much of it, but I do like Lacoste. Every once in a while something from Lacoste will catch my eye. So this is a plaid padded bomber jacket. And super nice quality, a lot of detail. This is more than just a simple bomber jacket, and that's kind of what I wanted at this point in the game. I've got a closet full of bomber jackets. I needed something different. So retail on this was $295. It went on sale for $150, and then they did a promo for 50% off everything on sale. So I got this for $75 shipped. This feels like a great quality jacket. This will fit right into my rotation. This is gonna be a good transitional jacket for me going from winter to spring. This yellow stripe on the wrist is a pretty small detail, but I like it. So you'll be seeing this in a lookbook soon. I gotta do a weekend lookbook, just a 3-day outfits of the weekend type video, something casual. I don't always wanna save all my clips for a big lookbook. All right, next up, real quick, we got a simple basic t-shirt from Everlane. It's in this olive green color, and I had wanted this ever since last summer, but they did not make it in a XXL. Finally, they did. You have to size up on a lot of their t-shirts, this being one of them. This is super lightweight, very comfortable, and only 16 bucks. But the main thing about this is the color. You'd be surprised how many brands mess up olive green. It's not just a straightforward color. A lot of times it looks like this weird yellowish, like grungy tone. Nah, this is how olive green should be. Everlane did a great job. If you buy 2 of their t-shirts, the shipping is free. If not, it's only like $5. So I'll link you guys to that down in the description, as well as anything else I can find. But last up, we got one more sneaker pickup. This is a pair that I was not gonna let go by. No chance. And I didn't think I was gonna get it at first, and I was a little tight. Got these for retail from Foot Locker. Now, I don't have the best track record as far as buying things from Foot Locker goes. They've messed up a bunch of my orders. I got bread toes in my size, and they sent me a youth 7. So that was messed up. I'm hoping that this pair actually is my size. So as you can see, a Jordan 1 box, and these released not too long ago. I really don't need to, whew, bro, the paint smell or like the glue smell from these, whoa, that is intense. Anyway though, we got the crimson Jordan 1s. These look good. These look really good. I like how they didn't overdo it with that hyper crimson. Obviously, it's like faded around that ankle collar, and it's really only bright on that inner lining. So how I'm gonna style these is just like I would style like a Shadow 1. I'm not gonna wear some highlighter orange hoodie with these or anything like that. I'm actually probably gonna go relatively simple, maybe just a black or gray hoodie, and then let that orange pop a little bit. Maybe throw on like my Detroit Tigers or my San Francisco Giants hat just to get that matching orange going just a little bit. Quality on these seems pretty nice. The leather quality seems better on these Sports Illustrated joints than it does on these Hyper Crimsons, especially on the toe box. These, however, have a suede, and it's like this rough brushed suede. Is this suede? I think this is suede. I think over time, these are definitely gonna get that worn type look, and that's probably what they were going for with this shoe, especially the faded orange around the ankle area and then the raw edges on this tongue. Let me know which one of these pairs you guys like better, the Sports Illustrated joints or the Hyper Crimson Jordan 1s. Be sure to let me know what you guys think about everything in this video. What was your favorite item? Leave it down below. Hit that thumbs up one time if you enjoyed this, and subscribe if you are new. Like I said, man, this channel is gonna get better this year. Lookbooks better and more consistent. These type of videos, hopefully better, more discussion videos, just a lot of good content. So I really appreciate the support from you guys. You'll definitely see a lot of these in future videos. If you have any recommendations on types of videos you wanna see, feel free to leave it down in the comment section. That's a wrap though. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram and Snapchat, all Eddie Win Kicks. But that's it, man. I'm out of here. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.